sick. So hopefully you are praying for me. Hopefully. So, do you see what I see in the background of Justin's scarred this video? It's a Washington Monument. So, if you guys have seen Captain America, the Winter Soldier, the whole entire movie takes place in Washington, D.C. It really does. So, besides, let's see. Let me just look up this one thing. Here we go. So, go on YouTube and watch Captain America, the Winter Soldier. But look, that's the White House. Look. I couldn't even believe that Captain America, the Winter Soldier, took place in Washington, D.C. It's actually pretty awesome. And amazing. So, I'm still sick, so be sure to, comment down below. Alright. Let's see. What else? Okay, if you watch the opening scene in Captain America the Winter Soldier, let's see, where was that picture? Where was that picture? Ah, here it is. I think this is Anthony. I don't know his last name. And of course, my personal favorite, Chris Evans. So dreamy. Alright. So, in the opening scene, after the starting of the Marvel name, you know, it shows Sam and Chris. Well, it's not actually. Let me think. I just can't think. All right. So Sam and Steve run like right here, like around the Washington Monument. And if you watch this video and stop at 226, look really close at this picture, then look up Captain America Winter Soldier opening scene. So I actually really recommend getting this movie. It's just awesome. Alright, so one more quick thing. Let me look up Amazon. And you know what? Maybe in the future, I could do some Amazon videos. Like, my favorite things on Amazon. Like, what I like to look up. You know. Let's see. If you look up I'm wait, not weather. I'm thinking of Minecraft. Here we go. Well, I only have this movie, but it's actually a pretty cool movie to watch. I love it. So I really do recommend getting the movie from Amazon. Plus, it's only $20. Not too expensive. Not too expensive. I love the movie so much. Do you know why? It was filmed at Washington, D.C. And guess what? A little all about me fact is I have actually been to Washington, D.C. when I was really, really, really little. It's true. I just loved it. So remember, I recommend you guys getting Captain America the Winter Soldier. So that will be the end of this video. So please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and always remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!